naman all to fault out namin tinatanong ko sa'yo. Ano talaga?
Pinag-iisipan ko rin yan eh. Kung
Hindi
kailangan
na talaga
ko mamaya.
pinatapos yung tanong.
Pero,
Kaya, oo.
hindi naman siguro kailangan i-force ang isang issue. Kasi I believe that if and when it happens, then I'll be ready. But for now, my son surprised me yesterday when I arrived. It was the best surprise ever because I live alone. When I arrived from my vacation, so I think that's just like what I said. I'd rather spend more time with him than rush into something na sayang naman yung pagkakataon that I get to spend with my son while I still can. Habang single pa ako. But, you know, I'm not getting any younger, I know that for sure. Pero, I don't think that should be a pressure dahil masaya ang buhay.
Okay, last na lang. Anong naging reaction mo when you learn na ito si Juday sa magiging endorser din ng Talent? Kasi ikaw, you've been an endorser for the longest time, di ba?
Siyempre, natuwa ako because I've always wanted to work with Juday again. And that's common knowledge naman. Hindi na pala. If there's ever a chance for us to work again, then ako talaga yung, I'll make sure I'll free up my schedule because yung laki tinautan na loob ko sa kanya.
Damdam mo na marami pa rin fans na naghihintay talaga sa inyong dalawa?
Yeah, nakikita ko sa Instagram, nakikita ko sa social media, kaya nakakatuwa, di ba, nakakataba ng puso.
Okay, thank you, Fiona.
Thank you, Rose. Next question. Unusual ito. From Eric
Sir
Chantel.
Jan.
Happy birthday!
Ah, thank
Happy
you.
birthday!
Kaya ako andito. Joke lang. Mama, hindi ko alam kung natanong na kanina kasi yung...
Ba't di pa rin